Hello, I'm your teacher Marti, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about useful words to describe weather. So, let's begin from sunny, or to describe sunny weather, we can use a lot of phrases. These are: it's sunny, it's bright, the sun is shining, if it's too hot, we can say it's humid, there's a heat wave, it's boiling, or we can say the air is heavy. Now, let's see expression or phrases to describe rain. We can describe rainy weather in different ways. So, let's see that these are: it's rainy, it's raining, it's spitting outside. We use this expression if there is small raindrop. Let's see thunder and lightning. Lightning it's a large electric flashlight, and thunder is its sound caused by lightning. Now let's see cold, our expression that we use for cold weather. These are: it's cold, I can see my breath, we use this expression if there is strong cold, or we can say it's freezing. We can say it's a bit chilly. We use this expression if there is little cold. Now let's see windy weather, or expression that we use for windy weather. These are: it's breezy. We use this expression if there is light wind, it's blustery. We use this expression if there is heavy wind or strong wind. It's windy. It's fresh. We use this expression if there is fairly cold and wind is blowing. Now let's move to cloudy weather. We can use different expressions to describe cloudy weather. These are: it's cloudy, it's partially cloud, it's overcast. We use this expression if there is bad weather. Now let's see what weather forecasting means. Forecasting weather it's predicting what the next day or the next week's weather will be like. Now let's move to seasons. Let's move to the seasons. There are 4 types of seasons. These are winter, summer, spring, and autumn. In America, summer is hot and sunny, and spring it's hot and wet both, and winter it's cold, and autumn is cold and windy. So it's all about today's video. It's about weather expression. I hope you liked the video, so I want you to like, share, and leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe also. I'm your teacher Marti. Practice more, and bye for now.